Exploring the three basic textures of EIFS stucco: fine, medium, and coarse finishes. Introduction. Exterior insulation and finish system EIFS stucco has revolutionized building exteriors with its versatility, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. A key aspect of EIFS that homeowners, builders, and architects often consider is the texture of the finish. In this blog post, we will explore the three basic textures of EIFS stucco: fine, medium, and coarse finishes. We'll delve into their unique characteristics, applications, and benefits, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of each. Fine finish. Characteristics and applications. Fine finishes, such as Dryvit's Sand Pebble Fine and Stowe's Fine Sand Finish, offer a smooth and subtle texture that is visually appealing and sophisticated. This texture is often chosen for modern and contemporary designs where a sleek, clean appearance is desired. Smooth appearance provides a refined and elegant look. Easy maintenance, less prone to dirt and grime buildup, making it easier to clean. Applications: ideal for residential homes, commercial buildings, and structures with a minimalist aesthetic. Benefits: the fine finish is not only about aesthetics, it also provides practical benefits. Its smooth surface can help in deflecting dirt and pollutants, making it a low-maintenance option for busy homeowners and commercial property managers. Medium finish. Characteristics and applications. Medium finishes, such as Dryvit's Sand Pebble and Stowe's Medium Sand Finish, strike a balance between smooth and textured surfaces. This finish is versatile and widely used across various architectural styles. Balanced texture offers a moderate texture that adds visual interest without being overwhelming. Durability provides good resistance to impact and weather conditions. Applications: suitable for both residential and commercial projects, blending well with diverse architectural designs. Benefits: the medium finish combines aesthetic appeal with durability. It's an excellent choice for those looking for a textured appearance that can withstand environmental stressors while still maintaining its visual charm. Coarse finish. Characteristics and applications. Coarse finishes, such as Dryvit's Quartz Putz and Stowe's Swirl Finish, provide a bold and rugged texture. This type of finish is often used in rustic, traditional, and industrial designs, where a more pronounced texture is desirable. Rugged appearance creates a strong visual impact with its pronounced texture. High durability, excellent for areas with high traffic and exposure to harsh weather. Applications: perfect for rustic homes, industrial buildings, and structures aiming for a strong textured look. Benefits: the coarse finish is not only visually striking, but also incredibly durable. It can hide minor imperfections and withstand significant wear and tear, making it a practical choice for high-traffic areas. Data and research on EIFS textures. A study conducted by the International Journal of Building Pathology and Adaptation highlighted the importance of surface textures in building materials. According to the research, textured finishes can significantly influence the thermal performance of buildings, with coarser textures providing better insulation properties due to their increased surface area. Moreover, the study found that medium and coarse textures are more effective in reducing the urban heat island effect, as they tend to reflect more sunlight compared to fine textures. Conclusion: understanding the three basic textures of EIFS stucco, fine, medium, and coarse, can help you make an informed decision for your next building project. Each texture offers unique characteristics and benefits, catering to different aesthetic and functional needs. Whether you're looking for a sleek, balanced, or rugged finish, EIFS stucco provides a versatile solution that enhances the beauty and performance of your building. For more information or to discuss your EIFS stucco needs, feel free to reach out to us or explore our resources on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.